Hello YouTube, this is Don for Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a video, and I'm on my phone, so hopefully it won't be too shaky holding my phone. But anyway, I was packaging up some embellishments and some things that I was making, some to send out and some to have handy, and I thought I'd just do a quick video just to show you some things with my packaging. Now, I do not own any dies that actually cut out the treat toppers, so I just using some flat ones that are flat and just decorating it flat just so I can get it up and get it out. But anyways, I just thought I'd show some of the things that I do. So this is a package. These packages are just basically when I buy those big pads of 25 sheets at Tuesday morning, I make gift bags, goodie bags, either one. So the goodie bags are just like the paper, well, just like the little paper bag, well, glassine bag, excuse me, and they don't have a gusset on the side. And then sometimes I make packages with the gusset on it. So it just depends. These don't have a gusset on it. These it's a pack of 6. I just make these, and then what I do is I just use a little chopper from my Wear Memory Keepers, and I just did a bow punch and put some bling on it, and I put them in some cellophane bags. And then what I also do is I send the recipient a little package to go along with it, some embellishments, so they can decorate these bags. I kept the top. These are actually 5 by 8, and I left it at 8 instead of by 5 by 7, so in case they want to use some zigzag trimmers or something at the top, hole punching it, fold it over, whatever, however they want to decorate it, that's up to them. So I'm going to send them a goodie bag to go along with it, with some doilies, clothespins, string, that kind of stuff, and cut aparts with coordinating paper, some from this paper collection and some from other ones that they can match, just to use these for themselves as they give away goodies. These are some embellishments that I've made before previously. I probably showed most of these, I guess, I don't know, but anyway, and I just packaged them up. So I'll just show you some of the things that I did. Very simple, quick, just to make it look a little bit more presentable. And I kept it kind of flat. So that's a love punch. And that one says hello. All these are punches around the top, just to make them look cute. And then I can always send these out in goodie mails, or somebody wants to buy them, that kind of stuff. You already have your stuff. Craft shows already done. It's helping organize my room as well. Now, the way I store my embellishments, I got some on the top, piece of sticker, and then I scratch that off when I go. I don't know if I showed it before, but anyway, I use a jewelry, the one that you hang with all the little squares on them, and I cut out my punches and stuff after I make them, and I stick them in there and hang them up. And then I also have jewelry boxes when I go through my punches or dies, and I cut them out and they have individual squares, so I can keep all my little pieces separate, and then I can just pull them. And that whole tray, the jewelry tray, will just have all coordinating papers from the same paper collection. And then I just make up a whole bunch, put them in a jewelry hanger, the one that has how many slots is 1 2 3 4 5 times 1 2, so it's like 5 times 7, like 35 little slots, the little jewelry one that you have that hangs on the back of the door with the little plastic sleeves. I stick my made embellishments in there, and then I pull them out when I need them, when I'm giving stuff away or somebody wants to buy something. So anyway, just let you know, you can make toppers without having toppers. And I just put washi at the bottom of each one of these. Like I said, different corner chompers, different border punches. So you can use pretty much any stuff that you have. But of course, if you have goodie bags, and I could use my Cricut, but I didn't, because I also have some up there as well. But I was just doing this real quick. See, any kind of washi is a good way to use your washi up as well. And then the last one I made up was that one. So just simple, quick, and easy ways to make your stuff that you're sending out a little bit more presentable, and some embellishments. So anyway, hopefully that'll give you some ideas and inspire you to package up embellishments in different ways. All right, take care. God bless. And thank you for liking and subscribing and supporting my channel and leaving comments. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.